So, the World Wide Web. It's just the same as the internet, right? Well, actually it's not, and we're going to look at what the differences are. Although closely linked, the World Wide Web and the internet are not the same thing. The internet is the global network of interconnected computers that you should have seen in a previous video of mine. The World Wide Web is formed of web pages that are on the internet, and the internet is used to access the World Wide Web. So without the internet, the World Wide Web can't exist, but it isn't the same as the internet. Now, I've said the word internet a lot there, and so you need to be able to differentiate between the two a little bit more easily. The World Wide Web is constructed of a language called Hypertext Markup Language, or HTML, and it's the standard language that's used to display information on a web browser. It can be assisted by technologies such as CSS or cascading style sheets, and scripting languages such as JavaScript. And when the web was initially developed, it used three main technologies to ensure that it could be accessed on all computers that were connected to the internet. HTTP, which is Hypertext Transfer Protocol, URL, and HTML. They create www technologies like intranet and extranet, which I'm going to come on to now. With the rise of production websites such as Wix and GoDaddy, the need to actually understand HTML code now has been massively reduced, because the way in which these are produced, these websites, is that you can cross-connect different images, different videos, and just embed them within a platform. And so HTML is not something that's necessarily used as much anymore in web development as it once was at the early days of web design. So, in order to understand this specification point, 1.5 World Wide Web technologies, you need to understand that there are three distinct types of technologies: the internet, the intranet, and the extranet. And you need to understand the comparison between these networks and the characteristics and purpose of each of them, so that when it comes to the exam and there's a distinct scenario that asks you to suggest whether or not a company has use of an intranet, extranet, or internet, you're able to give a valid answer. So an intranet is a network that is not connected to the internet. It's only available to those within an organisation, such as a business or a school, and intranets hold information needed by those within that organisation. Its key characteristics are that it's private and that it's closed access. School is a fantastic example of this. You need your credentials to log into the school system, where you can access shared drives, your drive, and other information. You're part of the intranet. Okay, so the intranet is within just an organisation. It is private and it has closed access. The internet is something that you use regularly, and it's a worldwide network of interconnected networks, like I've said previously. It's completely public and it's got complete open access. A website on the internet provides visitors with the access to information that they may need, and so they can be seen to be supporting factors to the marketing process. Think about e-commerce and the amount of websites that we're now using to buy goods. An extranet is a little bit more difficult. An extranet is a website that provides restricted access to resources for an authorized set of users from outside of that organization. And so its characteristics are private and shared access. A couple of examples then of extranets. Fashion companies such as Forever 21. This company website allows customers to register and start making purchases online. The company can increase sales thanks to e-commerce and collect data about their customers. Moreover, in this way, the brand can communicate with subscribers about promotions, sales, and new arrivals. Another example might be something like FedEx or Royal Mail. By logging into FedEx website or Royal Mail website, you're introducing a tracking number. Users can know at any moment where their order is, and this is an example of an extranet that is used quite regularly, especially in today's climate where we're ordering a lot of things online. Here's an activity for you. Sir Tim Berners-Lee, the founding father of the World Wide Web, decided that the www should be based on cross-platform open source software. Now, we use the word platform and often we'll think of, as seen in that short video there, the platform at a train station. What do we mean by platform? I would like you to write a magazine article having researched the content, explaining how the growth and success of the World Wide Web was affected by the use of cross-platform and open source software. Key terms that you can research are open source and cross-platform. Please like and subscribe this channel so that you can get updates when new videos are posted. Thank you for watching.